Hey guys, just wanted to jump on real quick and give you the word of the day. I really feel like today God is saying your set time has come. In Ecclesiastes, he says there's a time and a season for everything, a time to be born, a time to die, a time to sow, a time to reap. And I really feel like your reaping season has come. And now you're stepped through a threshold and it's harvest time. It is time now for you to harvest all of your prayers that you've been praying. So get ready, get in position. It's harvest time today. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day.